So we built this third row right here for our expansion. We could fit another 80 octal miners right here. This is one of our networking cages that's under lock and key, so it cannot be opened at any time. We have fiber going all the way back to here, and everything comes back to here. That side comes back over here, and everything goes to the main panel right here. And this is our core switches. This is our security cameras. We have cameras all over here. So we roughly have over 1,000 GPUs in this facility right now. These are some recently deployed ones on the new aisle. We got a 20-gallon air compressor with the water separator. And here is the new aisle. Now this fan, we upgraded this fan. This is a 40,000 CFM fan. You can see just how big it is. So it goes from here, up over, down into this rack here, and then everything breaks out down to the trays.
As a crypto miner, you know you want your equipment to be high quality. Proper cable management is part of your mining rig, and the Veteran Miner has you covered. The Veteran Miner cables are created with the best materials to ensure they are of the highest quality. Our cables are made of 16-gauge tin copper, ensuring another layer of protection from oxidation and corrosion. We support our products with a 100% guarantee. Visit our website at www.theveteranminer.com and get the best cables for your mining setup.
Once again, we have our network rack right here, going back over to the main hub under lock and key. Just how big this fan is right here. So what are some other improvements we plan on doing? We plan on doing a total wind tunnel here and topping it off and being able to close everything off and having a door right here, so that way it'll just be a total wind tunnel down to the fan right there. As well as we do plan on getting actual power cables and having an actual tray for all the power cords to go directly back to our Minotaurs. We realize that this is kind of messy right now, but this is what we had to do in order to get everybody going. So this is 240 right here, and then it steps it down over there from 415. So this is a 400 kVA 3-phase transformer, and it takes it over here. And you have these 3 breakers right here, okay? This is 210 amps at 415, step down over here to 240. These are a step down. All right, guys, this is Money Key giving you the most hashes, and I'll see you next time.